Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we are going to be replacing the interior dome lights and map lights in my 2019 GMC Canyon. The factory equipped interior lighting is a small halogen bulb. Doesn't really put off a whole lot of light. This is one of the first things I like to do in a vehicle, is replace the interior lighting for better visibility when you're opening doors and looking for things in the console and things like that. These are LEDs from Diode Dynamics. They offer a great 3-year warranty on all their light bulbs, which I think is fantastic. So if something does fail, they will go ahead and replace it, no questions asked, if you're in that 3-year warranty. These are their HP5 versions of this bulb, which is a 194 style bulb. And these are super easy to install. Plug and play right into where the OEM bulbs plug in. So let's dig in and see what's involved. Starting with the rear overhead lights, all you really need is a plastic pry tool to get in and prop this piece down and just work your way around all the interior. And then it'll come free eventually, just like that. Set that piece aside. Then you have access to the bulbs, and they literally just pop right out, just like that. No special tools needed. Now these do get hot, so make sure you have them turned off before you start doing this, otherwise you will burn your fingers. Ask me how I know. Then you're going to take your new LED and push them right into place. And we'll test them. They both work. Then go ahead and replace the lens cover. Just snaps into place. And that's the rear. Installation of the front is very similar. Get your plastic pry tool, work it into the bezel here, and just pop that piece of plastic lens out, gently removing it. Setting it aside. Then you have on the front, you have actually 3 bulbs. You have your 2 map lights on the right and left, and then this is the dome light in the center. Same way, that'll just pop right out. Then you take your LEDs, push them up into place. Testing the map lights, they work. Testing the dome light, it works. Then go ahead and replace the plastic lens. Like so. Double checking everything. Looks good. Now this button here will activate your dome light if you push it all the way to the right. If you put it to the left, it turns the dome light off when you have the doors open. And then the setting in the middle, which is like that, that will activate these when the door opens when you first get in, and it'll shut off after maybe, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. And there you can see there's a drastic difference of these lights versus the OEM halogen bulbs. There's a lot more light shown in here, all over the inside of the cab. And I have not changed any settings on the camera to make this look any different. You can just tell right away. Here's the back seat. Much more light, a lot better. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos. Later.